Huwag ka mag-alala kuya, ipi-play ko yung live mo. Kasi pumasok ka ngayon. Oy, 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 magandang dilag. Uy, kamusta? Oy, sa maganda kong magandang dilag. Sa magandang dilag na bisita ko. Uy, ano meron? Uy, bakit namigay ka? Nanalo na naman ba ako? Edward Castrillo. Thank you, Dan, Edward. Thank you. Bisitahin ko yung channel mo after ko mag-live, ha? Para hindi ako ano meron? Oh, tingnan nyo, oh, connect kayo, oh, kay magandang dilag. Very, ano yan? Very, tawag nun? Very gaber, ba tawag nun? Oy, Ili! Good evening! Maok. More blessings to come, ate. Yes, yes. Please connect to April's blog. The most beautiful woman in Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao. Have you heard that one, Cagayan de Oro? Uy, Ili. Thank you, thank you. I will visit your channel, Ili, after my live. I'm just having a short live. I'm eating a Whopper. Guys, don't forget to connect to April's blog. If you want to... Ayo. Bakit? Talaga naman. Ano ba na? I'm promoting you. You have to be thankful. Alright guys, if you want to experience the blessing from April's blog, the most beautiful woman, please connect to her. Makapag-comment na nga din, Ate April's blog, you're so beautiful, sexy, and adorable. Yes, corrected by. See? Nakita mo, Edward? O sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. I'm just telling the truth. Nothing but the truth. Oh. Uy, ano pa na? Ano ba tawag doon? Ano ba ang makuha ko kung magsinungaling ako? Diba? Halata namang maganda ka. Oy, patamsak daw, oh. Naku, saglit lang ba ako? 30 minutes lang ako mag-live. For my, for my ads. Ay, sis April, nagpapayat na ako. I'm trying to control myself. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, thank you. Ayusin mo yung parapol, ha. Mas maganda cellphone. Maraming magpa-member sa'yo. Promise. You're like a sunshine in the morning, so very bright and beautiful and enthusiastic. Oh, that's for April's blog. Oh, see? That's for April's blog, Edward, ha? Magpa-member ka, Edward. May parapol siya. Cellphone yung price. May, ano to? Ano na? May ano ngayon, may promo yung Shopee. May promo yung Shopee. May tag 500. Bitaw, oy. Oy, Edward. Please connect to April's blog. She's very supportive. Nako, nag-ano na yung ano ko. Yung kapitbahay namin, baka ma-CPR ako. Wala naman Gcash, ate, for ako now. Lahat naman tayo for. Sige lang, wag mo namang hindi naman kaagad